Hello everybody, this is Kanika Sharma, Faculty of BGMC Department from Technion Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on sports journalism and my topic for the day is NADA. The National Anti-Doping Agency is the national organization responsible for progressing, promoting and monitoring controlling programs in sports in all the agencies of India. As listed as official web portal, NADA deals with adopting and interpreting and doping rules and policies which conform with the World Anti-Doping Agency, cooperates with other and doping organizations and promotes doping research and education. NADA is formed by union government under the Society Register Act. NADA includes scientists, representatives from Indian Olympic Association. The National Anti-Doping Agency, NADA, is national organization responsible for promoting, coordinating, monitoring the doping controlling program in the country. NADA works towards a vision for doping-free sports in India. There are numbers of drugs and substances that are prohibited by NADA. NADA primary functions are adopting and implementing anti-doping rules and policies which conforms with World and anti-doping codes, cooperating and other sports relating organization and other anti-doping organizations, informing, replicing texts between the national anti-doping organizations and promoting doping research and education. So I hope you all understand the topic NADA. NADA basically deals in our country with national anti-doping, the substance and drugs which are prohibited from the sports in India. I hope you understand the topic. This is Kanika Sharma. Thank you so much.